rich system. It means we have rocks surrounded by bricks. And they had also three levels. In the bottom level, in the first level, were the storage rooms. In the upper level, of churches with three aisles, one in the middle, one in the south side, and one on the northern side, which are separated by columns. The typical basilicas had a timber roof, okay, a gable timber roof. However, this has a dome with a cross in square type church. That means if you look it from above, you can see that the roof is forming a cross. In the middle is the dome, and the axis of the cross are these saddlers we can see. The columns. You can see these marble cornices around, okay? Mm-hmm. In the beginning, it has a saddle roof, timber saddle roof. In the 14th century, a bishop, they don't have somewhere else to hope. All the humans want someone to express ourselves, to ask for help. Okay. And this is why churches, mosques, temples, the monastery itself was a society. In a monastery, every monk had a job to do. Some of them had to go out and gather wood for the fireplace, others to harvest, to produce food, others they had to calculate the incomes of the monastery, to pay the taxes, etc.